Okay, the first one actually number 3 থেকে করব, right? Number 2 পর্যন্ত আমরা আগে করছি। So there are two ropes of 15 meter and 40 meter length. Cut these two ropes into small pieces of the same length so that no part of the rope is damaged. What can be the maximum length of small pieces? Now, two questions is there. Number one, যে যেমন আমি একটু ম্যাথ সলভ সলিউশন লিখি, তারপরে হচ্ছে আমরা সেটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব যে why we should actually follow that process, right? Okay, the maximum length of the small pieces will be the H.C.F of 15 and 40. So now we need to find out the H.C.F. Hold on. We need to find out the H.C.F, right? So we can use the shortcut method to find out that. Just a minute. We will elaborate. So আমরা কি করতে পারি, আমরা হচ্ছে যে 15 40, right? So আমরা ডিভাইড করব কি দিয়ে? 3 দিয়ে হবে না, right? I mean we have to put prime numbers. So prime number কোনটা হবে এখানে? 5 দিলে কি হবে এখানে? 3 আর হচ্ছে 8. Now 3 is a prime number and we can divide 3 by only 3, but 8 is not divisible, right? So therefore the required H.C.F is required H.C.F is 3. So what's the length, the maximum length of the small pieces? The maximum length, therefore the maximum length of the small pieces is 3 meter, right? এখন তোমাদের ক্লাস 5 এ এমন ছিল না? এই টাইপের ম্যাথ ছিল ক্লাস 5 এ? হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা এখন তোমাদের যদি এই প্রশ্ন থাকে যে কেন আমরা এই
Sir, 3 meter হবে না 5 meter?
I'm sorry, 5 মিটার কেন? 3 লিখতেছি কেন? এই গ্রাফিক ট্যাবলেট যুক্ত করতে গিয়ে মাঝখানে 5 মিটার, এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের H.C.F, রাইট? এই প্রাইম নাম্বার যেটা কমন ছিল, সরি এত শব্দ করতেছে এটা, 5 মিটার, রাইট? এন্ড তোমাদের যদি এই প্রশ্ন থাকে যে কেন হচ্ছে আমরা H.C.F করব, হ্যাঁ, এই প্রশ্নটা কারো আছে কি যে কেন H.C.F করব?
No, sir.
এটা বুঝি সবাই? যদি এটা বুঝি তাহলে আমি এখানে টাইম ওয়েস্ট করবো না, রাইট?
Sir, না ওটা বুঝি, ঠিক আছে।
তাহলে আমরা পরেরটায় যাই, সেটা হচ্ছে যে a shopkeeper sells candles in both packets of 12 and 8. To have one candle for each candle stand, what is the minimum number of packets of candles and candle stands that Aisha has to buy? আমরা এরকম চিন্তা করতে পারি যে the minimum number of I mean since we have to find out the number of packets and in those packets we will buy actually the candle and the candle stand, right? Candle stand, right? Okay, so in one packet, I mean যদি one packet আমি যদি ক্যান্ডেল বলি, আমি জাস্ট এরকম চিন্তা করছি, ক্যান্ডেল যদি বলি, এটা হচ্ছে ক্যান্ডেল, এক প্যাকেট হলে, ওয়ান প্যাকেট হলে 12 পাবো, টু প্যাকেট হলে 14, three packet 36, four packet 48, and all these are actually the multiples of 12. These all numbers of the multiples of 12, right? And if we think about the candle stand, তাহলে কি হয়, তাহলে হচ্ছে 8, one packet 8, two packet 16, three packet 24, 32, 40, 48. আর আমরা দেখতেছি যে হ্যাঁ ওকে, তোমার যে আমাদের কোথায় মিলে, এটা মিলে, রাইট? আবার কোথায় মিলে, এটা এরকম আরো সংখ্যা পাবো আমরা যেখানে আমাদের মিলবে, এরপরে মিলবে হচ্ছে 72 তে, তারপরে 96 এ ভেবে মিলবে। I mean, if we have 24 candles and 24 candle stands, then we can use each candle stand for each for each candles, right? So this is the lowest number actually. This is the least number. That is the multiple of 12. I mean, common multiple of 12. And once it is the least common multiple, so we need to find out the LCM, right? I mean, if you find out the LCM of 12 and 8, then we can find out the minimum number of candle or candle stands, where we can get actually one stand for each of our candles, right? So this is the number which is the LCM for that. So we're going to write down the statement like this. The minimum number of candle or candle stands, candles, candle stands will be the LCM of 12 and 8, right? Now we need to find out the LCM of 12 and 8.
Sir, 24.
Right, it's 24, right? It's 2, 6, 4, and 2 again, 3, 2. Therefore, the required LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, and is going to be 24, right? Now, but this is not actually our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal is to find out the number of packets for candles and the candle stands. So we have to write down, I mean, now we have to do what? We have to divide the number of candles in each package, divide 24 by 12 to get a number of packets of the candle. So the number of candle packets is 24. I mean, division sign হিসেবে এটা দিলাম because division sign নাই এখানে। I mean, symbol insert করাটা ঝামেলা, তোমরা division sign দাও। So how many packets? 2 packets, right? And the number of candle stand, number of candle stand packets is 24 division 8 is equal to 3 packets, right? Okay, বুঝতে পারছি? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now number 5. তাহলে আমি পরের সামটায় যাই। The florist wants to arrange 24 bouquet in different rows. In how many different ways can he arrange them with the same number of bouquets in each row? I mean, you can arrange with the same number of bouquets in each row. In how many different ways can he arrange them with the same number of bouquets in each row? So, এই সামটার আমরা একটা জিনিস খেয়াল করি, হোল্ড অন জাস্ট ওয়েট। একটা জিনিস দেখতে হবে তোমাদের, যে এই প্রবলেম গুলো রয়ে গেছে। এইটা ম্যাথ গুলো আগের বছরও কিছু লিঙ্গুইস্টিক ক্রাইসিস ছিল, বাংলাতেও ছিল সেটা। এবার বাংলা বইটাতে হচ্ছে যে এই প্রবলেমটা সলভ করছে, কিন্তু ইংলিশ বইতে বোধহয় সলভ করতে পারে নাই। Why in how many different ways can you arrange them with the same number of books in each row?
স্যার এইগুলো হচ্ছে 24 এর ফ্যাক্টর হবে না?
হ্যাঁ, বাট কেন হবে, এটা হলো কোশ্চেন। সেটাই আনসার, বাট তোমার আমি জাস্ট কোশ্চেনটা চেক করতেছিলাম। হ্যাঁ, কেন হবে সেটা বলো। যেমন ধরো আমি একটা কাজ করি, আমি একটা একটা সিনারিও, ওকে হোল্ড অন। হোল্ড অন। ধরো এটা আমাদের এটা বাসা, হ্যাঁ, এটা একটা বাসা, হ্যাঁ। এখন তুমি এই বাসার এখানে একটা বাগান করবা বা ফুলের তোড়া দিয়ে সাজাবে। ধরো বললাম, বেরিয়ে আসি। ধরো এটা আমাদের বুকে। ছোট দিই। তা আমি 4টা দিছি, 1 2 3, রাইট? 4টা দিছি না? আমি যদি এরকম আরেকটা দিই, তাহলে কয়টা হলো? in each row I mean parallel to my house, in each row I have 4 bouquets, এখানেও 4 bouquets, but how many rows I have? 2. So in total how many bouquets I have? I have 8 bouquets, right? I have 8 bouquets. So if I arrange them in 2 rows, then in each row I have 4 4 bouquet, right? So these are row numbers. This is the bouquet number in each row. I mean, in other case, we can call column number, but I'm not going to talk about the column ideas. Okay. So, but can we do something else actually? Can we do other than these? Other than these, আমি যদি এমন করি তো এখানে কি হচ্ছে এখন এখন প্রত্যেকটা রোতে কয়টা করে দুইটা আহ এখানে দুইটা এখানে দুইটা এখানে দুইটা বাট how many rows I have 4 rows, but does it make any difference actually? And I mean this two pattern is different or not different, right? So these are different ways. This is one way, this is another way, right? This is the way in where in each row the same number of bouquets are there, right? And this is another way where I have same number of bouquet in each rows. ব্যাপারটা বুঝতে পারছি? Hello.
জি স্যার।
So
Yes.
so I have how many different ways? I have 2 different ways, right? If I go for 2 rows, then in each row I got 4 bouquets. If I go for 4 rows, then I have 2 bouquets in each row. So there are 2 different ways, right? 2 different ways. 2. Or if I say that I can actually 1 and 8, right? In each row, I have 1 row, I got 8 flowers, or I got 8 rows, I got 1 flower, 1 bouquet in each row. So there is also 2 way. So how many ways I can actually arrange the 8 bouquets in 4 ways, right? How many ways? In 4 different ways. How many factors of 8 are there? 4, right? So if I have 4 factors, I will have 4 different ways to arrange them. I mean, meeting the condition said here, right? বুঝতে পারছি বিষয়টা? If I have 8 bouquets altogether, then since the number 8 has 4 altogether 4 factors, so we have 4 different ways to arrange them according to the instruction given in the question, right? So since the number of bouquets 24, we need to find out actually the factors 24 do have, right? So actually তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি, আমরা কি আইডিয়াটা বুঝতে পারছি? হ্যালো?
জি স্যার।
Okay. So the number of different ways will be equal to the number of factors of 24, right? So now we have to find out all the factors of 24, and the process is very simple. 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 3 into 12, 3 into 8, and finally 4 into 6, right? So we can write down. We can write down. Therefore, 24 has 8 factors all together, right? Okay. So, in how many ways we can arrange them? So he can arrange the bouquets in 8 different ways, right? কারণটা বুঝতে পারছেন? Hello?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার
Um, so number 6, I think number 6 is very simple, right? Number 6. Will I have to do it for you guys? I mean, pears are evenly packed in cartons so that no fruit is left out. What is the maximum number of cartons that will be needed there, right? It will be the HCF of the numbers, right? The maximum number of cartons will be
Yes.
the HCF of 210, 252, and 294. You can do that, right? Can you,
ইয়েস স্যার
Doshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I better go for the next one, right? The length and lengthwise and the height of a room are 6 meter, 80 centimeter, 5 meters, 10 centimeter, 3 meter, 40 centimeter, right? So let's simplify this into centimeter, and we'll find the thing. Actually, we are told that you'll be given a
Yes,
stick
yes.
only, not a scale. The length of that stick will be as you want, but you can only demand it once. That
Yes.
means you will get only one stick. With the stick, you have to make sure that the length, width, and height of the room are measured accurately, and there will be no fraction. You cannot go for any fraction, right? What is the maximum length of the stick you can ask for? So the maximum length of the stick will be the HCF of these numbers. Now let's make the length and breadth, I mean the simplified thing, right? Okay. Length equals 6 meter, 80 centimeter is equal to 6 multiplied by 100 plus 80. I mean, I can put a bracket over there, centimeter, and altogether it is 680 centimeter, right? The white will be equal to will be equal to 5 meter 10 centimeter 5 into 100, okay, and it's going to be 10. তাহলে কত আসবে? 510, right? And finally, the height is equal to 3, 4, 3. Are you guys writing or just watching? What? So this is actually in centimeter, right? So the length of the stick, therefore the length, the maximum length, right? To the HCF of 680, 510, and 340, right? So now, do you know how to do the I mean, you like to go for the division method?
Sir, I use Euclid method.
Okay, it's up to you, right? Okay, I go for the division method. Both I should, I mean, we should practice actually, because if we are told to find out, then it will be easy for us, right? 170 again. So it is 170 and 340, right? 170, 340, 2 times 340. So the required HCF is is 170, right? Therefore, the length of the stick I should write a maximum length, right? Write a maximum length should be 170 centimeter. বুঝতে পারছি? Hello.
Jeez.
Yes, sir.
So যেটা তোমরা করবা সেটা হচ্ছে যে সিমিলার ম্যাথ বানাতে পারবা? সিমিলার লাইক
Sir.
5, 6, 7 এই পাঁচটা করবা আবার একটা বিষয় হচ্ছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট, যেটা এখন ইদানিং কালে যেমন অনেক ধরনের ডিভাইস থাকাতে আমরা কি করি, আমরা হচ্ছে যে সহজে কাজগুলা করতে চাই না। Okay, machines are there, they will work for us. Why should I do this? You should do this because who is going to instruct the machines, right? If you don't know actually what to do, then if you have the machines, or we are not going to be able to instruct them, right? That's why you need to learn. So, and presenting something, presentation is also very important actually. Once you go for any kinds of solution, and in paper, we observe that those who are actually organized in their exam paper or in their homework copy, they are organized in their professional work at the same time, right? So এই জন্য এই কাজগুলো খুব ভালো করে করবা, হ্যাঁ? যে যে কাজগুলো দিলাম এগুলো
Sir,
জি বলো।
how many questions like these will we make from one type?
One question is enough from one type, right? 3 to
Yes,
7,
sir.
3 to 7 একটা additional question বানায় এবং সেটার উপরে ম্যাথ করো, ওকে?
Okay, sir.
দোষী তোমরা দুজনেই ম্যাথ কোশ্চেন বানায় আমাকে ছবি তুলে পাঠাবা, ওকে?
Sir, but I have one more question.
Okay.
Sir, I didn't write the questions on my copy, so how can I get them again? Through the recording?
You didn't? Sorry, you didn't?
Sir, I didn't write the questions that were in the screen share. So
Why
can I
didn't you
see
try?
the record?
You can, but why didn't you try actually? But these questions are actually in your book at page 49.
Oh, okay,
It's
so
in
thank
your
you.
book,
Sir,
page,
by when do I have to send you the pictures?
yeah, once you write down the questions and solve it and send me the PDF of the whole homework, okay?
So by today?
It's better by tonight 12 o'clock so that I can check them,
All right.
okay? Okay, bye bye, thank you.
Assalamu